Hello everyone and welcome. A while back I did a review of a flexible gooseneck light that had a lot of great features to it, but a little bit expensive for some of my viewers. So some of you guys asked me to find another gooseneck light that was more affordable and could fit into your budget. That's why today I bring you a very affordable gooseneck light from Favorlight. This is a compact, battery-operated gooseneck light that is as affordable as you're going to find. Still has the flexibility of being a gooseneck light, but at a reduced price. So let's unbox this puppy and see what I got this time. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews plus helpful DIY projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce a new product review video or DIY video. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Here's a shot of the box for you so you can see what we're talking about. And let's open this puppy up. Alright, so when you unbox this puppy, this is everything you get. You get the manual, which has all the features and so forth, how to use it and maintain the light. And then you get the light itself, and it has the batteries already pre-installed in there for you. So this is the 500 lumens LED gooseneck light from Favorlight, available on Amazon, link in description below. At the time of making this video, this light retails for $18.99. There is also a discount coupon available on their Amazon page, so you can get it even lower than that. Now this light is powered by 3 AAA batteries, so no need to worry about rechargeable batteries. Anytime you need power, if it runs down, pop in some new AAA batteries and you keep on going. The dimensions on this light are 18 inches in length by 1¼ in width down here at the base. It has an aluminum body which is anodized in a black color, very durable and easy to maintain. The item only weighs 9 ounces, so it's very lightweight. The light puts out 500 lumens of 7000 K light, and it has a flexible gooseneck, as you can see, and it does also have a zoomable light, which you can zoom in and out to get whatever lighting you want. It is impact and water resistant, and let me show you some of the features of that light right there. As far as the lighting goes, move that aside. I'm going to show you more later, but let me show you some right here on the bench. There you go. And then if you want, you can zoom it in and get a very tight fix on it, or zoom out and get a much wider beam, and you can go out as far as you like or in as close as you want, whatever you want. And there you have a very tight beam right there. So it is zoomable, so you can get the light in wherever you need it, as tight as you need it. And there's a shot of the light itself in case you want to see that. So what would you use this light for? Well, obviously for auto repair, household repairs, as an inspection light, utility light, reading light, camping light, barbecue light, and much more. Totally up to your imagination. So let's take a look at how much light this guy puts out and go from there. Alright guys, here you have a close-up shot of the light so you can see exactly what it looks like. You can see the dimensions in relation to my hand. And it is a very compact but useful size. And there you have a close-up of the LED itself if you want to see that. And what we're going to do is I'm going to turn off the lights, we're going to darken up the garage, and we're going to see exactly how bright these 500 lumens really are. So let's take a look at that. Alright guys, here we are. The shop is all darkened up and I'm going to turn it on. Let's see how bright these 500 lumens are. And there you go. That is at wide angle. That is fully opened up. You can zoom it in as tight as you want. There you go. That is fully zoomed in right there. It has that square cob design to the LED. And like I said, let's go back out. And 500 lumens is good enough to light up everything that you need. It is fairly powerful. For a AAA battery, that's not bad at all. Then you can go in as tight as you want, as small as you want, all the way down to that. So that's not bad. Let's see how we can use this light. Alright, so one of the most common features of one of these gooseneck light is to use it for automotive repair. So let's take a look at here. If you wanted to see something on the side of the motor and you needed to get way down in there somewhere, a gooseneck light is very useful and easy to see anything where you need it way down there. You can get right down to the suspension parts down there, or right back there if you want to look at the transmission, or anywhere you want to look at. You want to look at the plugs or something over here. It gets you into really tight places. Very easy to get around. And it is flexible and bendable, so you can bend it to whatever you need to do to get all around objects and see whatever you need by getting in and out of there. So that makes it so much easier to be able to get wherever you need it to go. the flexibility of the gooseneck really comes in handy. And for 500 lumens, that is fairly bright. And that is pretty wide angle. You can zoom it in as close as you want and really get a tight beam of light anywhere you need it to go. So there you go. That shows you right there. Very convenient little light. And since it is magnetic, you can go hands-free and just stick it onto the fender of your car, your hood, whatever part is metal, and it'll basically stay there and light up your work area very conveniently. Point it wherever you need to go, and it'll light it up for you hands-free, so you're free to do whatever work you need. And this light is also very useful for getting into really tight places, like checking your suspension on your car and stuff like that. Get the light in there, check the suspension up there, down here, behind the tire, wherever you need to look, and it'll get you right in there instead of having to fumble around with a big light. Get it into the really tight places and see exactly what's going on behind the tire or any place that is really hard to reach. And this light can be really quite handy if you're trying to do some work in tight places like under a sink. Really helps you get in there and light up the area you're working on so you can figure out what you need to do. Alright guys, you asked for it and I got it for you. You wanted an affordable yet good quality gooseneck light, so I found you what I think is the cheapest but still a good quality gooseneck light on Amazon. Under 20 bucks for an aluminum gooseneck light is a really good deal. 500 lumens of power at your disposal and a zoomable lens to make it even more convenient. Plus a powerful magnetic base so you can go hands-free whenever you need it. Check out their Amazon page for full details. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.